Global markets open the day facing a dense mix of geopolitical and macro crosscurrents led by a US led intervention in Venezuela that could eventually add oil supply, soften energy prices, and ease inflation pressures in Europe and the UK, while near term geopolitical uncertainty keeps risk sentiment fragile. In Europe, a heavy data week, PMI's German unemployment, and pivotal CPI print will test expectations that inflation may dip below target, reinforcing the ECB's delicate balance between weak growth and easing price pressures. The UK story hinges on housing and inflation momentum. Mortgage data will gauge whether past rate cuts are feeding through, while a falling CPI and a cooling labor market raise the stakes for the Bank of England's cautious easing path and GBP direction. In the US, attention squarely rests on a packed labor market slate culminating in Friday's jobs report as the Fed weighs slowing employment against still firm wage growth to judge whether the economy is cooling smoothly or cracking. Asia adds further nuance, with Japan showing early signs of a manufacturing and wage-driven inflation revival that could support yen strength. Australia and New Zealand remaining highly sensitive to inflation data, and China-linked trade demand, and China itself navigating a fragile recovery marked by modest PMI expansion, weak jobs and pricing power, and continued incremental policy support rather than aggressive stimulus. That's all for now.